This PC is full of gold. Gold motherboard accents, gold lighting, gold liquid, gold custom panels. Enjoy. Oh my God. Hang on, the whole table's moving. No, it's fine. It's fine, all right? This is the MSI Prospect 700R, one of MSI's new cases. It's been receiving really good reviews as well, so I'm interested to check it out. And apparently the front panel has like a touch sensor or something on it, like a display panel, which I think would be pretty cool to play around with. Maybe we could put Amelia's face on there. What do you reckon? Oh, there's a box on the inside. There we go. Wow. Why is it always such a mission to get a case out of its box? Bit tall. Get down here for ya. Ah, it's finally here. The MSI X670E Ace motherboard. We're finally doing an AMD Ryzen 7000 series PC. And we have this lovely motherboard to go with it. It's got like a gold accent design on an all black motherboard. I think it looks really nice. I did take a little peep earlier. Hang on, there's a bit of tape under here. Ooh, look at that. Yes, girl. What do you reckon? Wait, are you doing the zoomy thing again?
Yeah.
Wait, hang on. We can do a bit of peeling if you want.
Save that for the TikTok.
Oh, it's TikTok schmick schmock, you know?
Nice shirt, by the way.
Oh, thank you. I know someone who designs these.
Oh,
it's so amazing.
Wow, it looks so good.
Anyway, so we have our hands on the AMD Ryzen 9 7900X CPU. Not much of an unboxing here because, I mean, we don't actually have the packaging. Have you noticed that?
Scuffed.
Bit of a scuffed unboxing. Here it is. That's about it.
Woo!
Yeah! No, but what I do love is that these new CPUs, they don't have the pins on the back because the amount of times I've accidentally pulled out the CPU with the cooler and then it's fallen on the ground. Then we have to try and straighten the pins again. Yes, I know you're meant to heat it up before trying to pull it off, but sometimes it just happens, okay? Anyway. It's not going to happen with this one. The Ryzen 9 7900X is a 12-core, 24-thread, 5nm CPU with a boost clock of up to 5.6 GHz. AMD have done a fantastic job raising individual core speeds on all their CPUs, making them perfect CPUs for both gaming and multitasking or rendering. So for our storage, we're going with the Spectrum M480 NVMe drives, a 2TB and a 1TB. One of them has Windows and games on it. That's why I decided to install both. Don't really need both, as this is only a show system, but you know, it makes it a lot easier for us at the end of the day, especially when we're trying to pump out one PC a week with the filming, the editing, what else? The photos, or the back end.
The reels, the TikTok.
Yes. So yeah, 2 of these. The MSI X670E Ace motherboard comes with plenty of NVMe storage with a dedicated PCIe Gen 5 slot for NVMe drives. We can also now take advantage of DDR5 memory up to 6,666 MHz. There are loads of USB connectivity on the I/O with 10GB LAN and Wi-Fi 6E compatibility.
I'm surprised I haven't stopped up yet. I'm doing pretty well.
You probably have. We've seen your filming before, right? Okay. We know exactly what your filming is like.
Great.
Oh, please. So, you sure you're recording now? Because
Yes.
this is the Trident Z5 RGB RAM. We've actually got 4 sticks, one over here as well. And yeah, so we're gonna try 4 sticks in the system. So far, DDR5 has been best with 2 sticks, especially for overclocking, but 4 sticks looks so much better populating the whole motherboard. So that's what we're gonna do. One amazing feature about this case is the front LCD screen, which you can display custom things like the temperature, the time, and a bunch of other custom features. Hey ladies and gentlemen, we have the new Thermaltake ATX 3.0 power supply, 1000 watt. Oh, this one's already been unboxed. I don't remember having a look at it. So we don't need that. What's in here? Oh wait, that's just cables. Probably move this back over so it's on camera, right? Now I've been waiting for 2 weeks for this part to come in. This is the EK Quantum Velocity 2 CPU block nickel plexi for AM5 socket. I thought that I could jerry rig something with the AM4 CPU block to make it fit on the AM5 socket motherboard, but unfortunately I couldn't. It's a completely different screw type and everything, so it was so much easier me just ordering one of these in rather than going out and buying some new screws and trying to jerry rig something up. At least I know this is going to fit perfectly, plus it has warranty. I'm glad it's here, so let's get it installed. You know what time it is? Time for everyone's favorite fan unboxing. The Lian Li Unifan. What are these? The SL Infinity 120. Let's get them unboxed. Are these your favorite fans?
Close to it.
Close to it? But it's the other Lian Li ones that are your favorite?
I like the ones with the bling on it too.
The Cooler Master ones.
Yeah.
Well, today, I'm sorry, that's not the Cooler Master ones. The Lian Li SL Infinity fans. To cool this system, we have two EK SE 360 radiators. We're probably only need to unbox one, right? These are actually the older versions of EK's SE 360 radiators. We don't have any of the new radiators yet, but we don't have any of the new anything yet, do we?
No.
These are their thinnest ones because graphics cards are getting huge, so I thought, let's put the thinner ones in there to make sure that we can fit stuff. It's a good radiator anyway, so it'll do the job. It has finally arrived, the RTX 4080 Gaming X Trio from MSI. It's finally here. Oh, this one's gonna be an exciting one. I can't wait to test out the performance of this one. Oh, that's a big boy. Look at this one. It's not just the length that matters. So it is a triple slot card, 3 fans for the cooling, which is really good. It's also got the opening on the back plate there for extra airflow to go through.
Pretty beefy design as well for lots of cooling, and it is an all blacked out design, but you can see it has subtle RGB lines right at the front there on either side of the fan. We're gonna use this in this build today. This is super exciting. Can't wait to test its performance.
So for this particular build, I want to create my own liquid. I'm thinking a gold and black theme, and the liquid I want to create is actually the special effects liquid that you guys sometimes see in our builds. And I create that using mica powder and some distilled water. Now this particular pump res combo actually has a D5 pump inside, so I can control the speeds. And the special effect liquid actually looks better with a bit of a slower speed, hence why I've gone for the D5.
Guys, check out this next PC build video. It is a banger.